Stir-fried golden lala clams. Hey, nothing beats the weekend market run. We are here at Eastwood Fresh Market today. Just look at all these beautiful seafood choices. Fresh prawns, mussels, fish. Oh, these big plum lala clams. They are on sale today. Let's grab a kilo of these fresh lala clams and turn them into a classic Malaysian style stir-fry at home. Trust me, you will want to eat this straight from the pot. This is what I love about cooking, being inspired by beautiful fresh ingredients. The magic of this recipe is its speed. It's all about fresh ingredients and a hot pot, creating a sauce that's savory, slightly sweet, with an incredible aroma from all the aromatics. It feels like a special treat, but it's one of the easiest things you'll ever make. But first, the most important step is there's nothing worse than biting into a delicious juicy clam and getting a mouthful of sand. It's a dinner runner. So I'm going to show you my foolproof way to get them perfectly clean. When you get your clams home, give them a good rinse and place them in a bowl of cold, salted water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This encourages them to spit out any scent they're holding inside. But we don't stop there. You take a small, clean brush and scrub the outside of a clam shell under running water. The real secret is to give each clam a little scrub. Using a small, stiff brush, just go over the shell to remove any stubborn dirt. It takes a couple of extra minutes, but I promise you, it is the difference between a good dish and a great dish. Nobody likes a sandy clam. With our clams clean and happy, let's assemble our aromatic army. This dish comes together in the flesh, so you want everything prepped and ready to go before you even turn on the stove. We have 4 cloves of garlic. Use the back of the spoon to smash it, or you can finely chop them. Second, aromatic is a quarter of piece of ginger, which I have julienne. The ingredient is 1 fresh big red chili. Also julienne for a gentle heat and beautiful color. Remember to deseed it before julienne it. If you love this Malaysian style lala recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more easy Asian home cooking. Now for the herbs, I got a big bunch of coriander leaves. Separated the stems from the leaf and chopped the stems slightly. The stems are tough but packed with flavor, so we will add them in early to infuse the sauce later. The delicate leaves are for the end, and we have the green parts of a bunch of spring onions for that fresh, sharp finish. Alright, fast and furious cooking. The pot is on, the heat is high, and the clock is ticking. They will be fast. Let's go. A splash of cooking oil. Once it's shimmering, in go our aromatics. The julienne ginger, 4 crushed garlics, a little drizzle of sesame oil for fragrance. Stir fry using chopstick for just 30 seconds. Next ingredient is the coriander stems, which is full of concentrated essential oils that carry a deeper, more intense flavor than the leaves, which is why they are perfect for building the aromatic base of a stir-fry. Stir-frying the stems first also softens their slightly grassy taste, creating a smooth, savory foundation for the sauce. Drum roll! Now, the star of the show. In go to the clams, lala clams. Give them a quick toast to coat them in those beautiful aromatics. Toast them a couple of minutes and add a splash of Worcester sauce. And add about half a bowl of water or any soup base that you would like. Now quickly get the lid on. What we're doing now is steaming the clams. The intense heat and steam will force them to open up, creating their own delicious creamy liquor that will form the base of our sauce. After 2 to 3 minutes, and that's a magic moment. Look at that! Almost all of them have opened up. Toss in your red chilies and spring onion greens. This not only adds color but fresh flavor that balances the richness of our clams. Once the clams open up, it's time to season and create a glossy umami-packed sauce. A pinch of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of Japanese mirin, 4 tablespoons of Chinese Shaoxing wine. Professional Chinese chefs almost always splash Shaoxing wine into dishes with meat, seafood, especially during stir-frying to neutralize any unwanted odors while adding aroma. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking sake. You might notice we use several types of wine sake in this stir-fried lala clams, which isn't about making a dish alcoholic, but about layering flavors. The sauce bubbling, and there you go. Let's get this into a bowl or a plate. You want to serve it immediately while it's steaming hot with all of that incredible sauce, or you can keep it into the clay pot itself. Wow, the clam itself looks so tender and sweet, and the sauce is just everything. It's savory, it's slightly sweet from the mirin, it's got that fragrant kick from the ginger and rice wines, and a gentle warmth from the chili. This is the taste of a Malaysian seaside feast right here in Sydney, Australia. Wow, there we have it. Malaysian style stir-fried golden lala clams, fresh from the pot. Look at the shiny sauce coating every shell, garnished with our fresh coriander leaves on top. A spectacular seafood dish inspired by a spontaneous trip to the Eastwood Market. The keys are to get your clams super clean and have all your ingredients ready to go before you stir fry. Now here's my ultimate leftover hack. If, and it's a big if, you have any of this leftover, don't just reheat it. The next day, you can reuse the clam meat all out of the shells and toast the clam meat and all of the incredible sauce through some freshly cooked noodles or pasta. It creates the most amazing flavor-packed seafood pasta in literally 2 minutes. It's so good. Here's recap my stir-fried lala clams recipe, or you can go to hankorean.com for print-out recipe. Check out my next video, juicy prawns, savory tomato oyster sauce, and that irresistible Malaysian aroma. Already in under 10 minutes. Perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss a delicious moment. Happy cooking!